how to create a Facebook group. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can create a Facebook group, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to create a Facebook group, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Facebook application here. And as you've done that, tap the three lines option from here and then go to the option called groups. Now once you go to groups, if you have actually made any sort of groups in the past, you will find them here. And if you are part of a particular group, you will find those contents of this group here. And assuming that you would like to create your own group, what you have to do is you have to tap the plus icon from the top of the screen here. At the bottom, you'll find an option called create a group, and make sure to just tap on create a group option. Simply go ahead and then make sure to name your group if you'd like, depending upon what the group is about, and select your privacy, whether you want this to be a public group that anyone can join on or off, or whether you want this to be a private group where people would need to send a request to join the group. So depending on what you want, just go ahead and select that, tap the create group option, enter other details such as entering your profile picture, adding the rules and so forth, and hence your group will get successfully created. This way you can create a group on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.